is Mohit and you're watching Techstraya. I'm recording this particular video in this beautiful city of Adelaide, and I'm actually here in the Adelaide Oval Stadium. I've got the Apple Watch Series 7 here, and I'm super excited to show you the first and the fresh look of the stainless steel version in the graphite color. It comes in a very neat and fine white box with only the Apple logo in the front and some information behind the box. Once you open this box, what we see is a pretty colorful packaging from inside, containing the watch itself and the Apple Watch band. Alright, it's time to lift the curtain over, and thankfully, the wait for watch is over, and it gives me immense pleasure to showcase this. Inside the box, we have the information material, and the charging cable. This year, thankfully, this Apple Watch charging cable is the USB-C version, which has got the capability to provide the fastest charging to the Apple Watch Series 7. It's actually around 33% faster than the previous generations. As per Apple, only 8 minutes of charging now provides 8 hours of sleep tracking, which is pretty amazing. Things are getting faster, mate. And this is the 45mm stainless steel Apple Watch Series 7. The Series 7 lineup comes in different variants. You've got the aluminum, stainless steel, and the titanium. My personal favorite for this particular year is the stainless steel version. And man, this one looks beautiful. In addition to that, it comes in two sizes, the 41mm and the super cool 45mm. Finally, I've got my Apple Watch Series 7 paired with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, the synchronization process is on. I'm actually unpairing my Series 4 and pairing my Series 7 watch with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. An immediate first look tells you that the screen is bigger, brighter, and more durable this year, making it crack resistant. The red crown signifies the watch has cellular capabilities. In fact, the stainless steel version would automatically have the cellular option. I personally like the cellular version just because it gives you more power. So for instance, if you're going out of your house, let's say going to the gym, and if you leave your phone behind, just with the watch itself, you can answer and make phone calls, and also reply to some text messages. It's like having a phone on your wrist. It's a wearable technology after all. This one is the Milanese Loop, and it definitely looks pretty classy. The watch bands come in some fantastic, cool, refreshing colors and materials. This lineup is for the Leather Link and the Milanese Loop bands, and they all look pretty amazing. This is my secret technology, turning on the left and the right one, and now the middle one, back on with the left and the right again. I hope this has been informative for you and you enjoyed watching my unboxing video for this Apple Watch Series 7. In the end, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Techstraya, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.